What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my laboratory where safety is number one priority. And today we're gonna look at what's inside a McDonald's bag. Hey you! Hey you! What's your name?
I am Usjjsjsxjxn.
Okay, Bob, get the scissors please for me. Today we're gonna cut this bag open. And
Warning, this is gonna be
This
so
is-
dangerous.
so don't try this at home, okay,
Yeah,
kids?
yeah.
So what's inside this bag?
This part is the dangerous part.
Yeah.
So you better need help from an adult. Whoa!
Oh, hey, can you hold this?
Okay.
Hey guys, check what? Check. Come on. Hey, get the camera. Get the camera. Hey, come on. Look what's inside here.
Oh my
Oh my
god!
gosh, recording time!
Oh my god! Ah!
It wasn't
Ah!
even.
Ah!
No!
See, that part was very dangerous,
There's
so
some more
don't
stuff
try.
inside here. Whoa!
Whoa!
Finger! For the water bottle.
Water bottle!
It's a water bottle in this.
Water bottle! What about flip though?
Oh!
Oh!
Oh! More stuff in here. Whoa!
Whoa!
An orange! Why is it colored yellow? We're gonna eat this later.
Okay.
Wait, there's one more thing in here. A nail clipper.
Oh my gosh! That's very dangerous!
Hey guys, hey kids, don't use this thing. It could kill you. You see this blade right here?
Yeah.
It has a blade.
Yeah, it has a brace.
This can open your stomach and your head.
Yeah.
Like this. There's no more in here.
Oh no, the bag is getting me!
We got him, boys. High five. Yeah.
Yeah,
Good job.
we did it. There's an ant.
There's an ant. There's an ant in our house.
That's a pet ant.
Whoa.
Whoa!
Oh my
It's
god.
on you!
It's on my
Oh my
nail.
gosh! Oh no!
Oh, I felt it. Oh my god.
Oh! I felt it! Oh my god, it's still alive!
Did I get it yet?
It's still alive!
It's still there. I need to get it. Where is it now? I think I got it.